Website builders with powerful drag-and-drop features. 1. Wix. Wix is known for its intuitive drag-and-drop editor, which offers a wide range of customizable templates, drag-and-drop elements, and a robust app market. 2. Weebly. Weebly's drag-and-drop editor is easy to use, with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. It also offers a wide range of templates and integrations. 3. Squarespace. Squarespace's drag-and-drop editor is designed for creative professionals, offering a high degree of customization and flexibility. It also has a strong focus on design and typography. 4. Shopify. Shopify's drag-and-drop editor is designed for e-commerce sites, offering a range of customizable templates and drag-and-drop elements specifically designed for online stores. 5. Webflow. Webflow is a design-focused website builder that offers a powerful drag-and-drop editor with advanced features like responsive design and CSS editing. 6. WordPress.com. WordPress.com's drag-and-drop editor is part of its website builder platform, which offers a range of customizable templates and themes. 7. Elementor. Elementor is a popular WordPress plugin that offers a powerful drag-and-drop editor with hundreds of customizable templates and widgets. Some key features to look for in a website builder with powerful drag-and-drop features include a wide range of customizable templates and themes, drag-and-drop elements for easy content creation, advanced styling options such as CSS editing, responsive design options to ensure your site looks great on all devices, integration with third-party apps and services, a user-friendly interface that's easy to learn and use. Ultimately, the best website builder for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. Be sure to research each option thoroughly to find the one that best fits your needs.